Google Cloud just did what no hacker or nation state has managed to do. It crashed itself. Not one region, not a small outage. I mean, globally. Everything from BigQuery to Gmail went down with service unavailable errors. And the reason? A blank config field, a missing null check, a quota system that forgot how to be reliable. Yes, in the year 2025, at Google, the company that literally wrote the book On-Site Reliability Engineering. Let's go back a bit. There's a backend service called Service Control. Think of it as the bouncer of Google Cloud. It checks if your API request is allowed, if you're within quota, if you're doing things properly. On May 29th, Google released a new feature into Service Control. It was supposed to improve quota checks. Instead, it was a time bomb. There was no feature flag, no safety checks, and the broken code path wasn't even triggered in testing because the condition didn't exist yet. But then came June 12th at 10:45 a.m. Pacific time. Someone, or maybe an automated system, pushed a policy with blank fields. That data got replicated globally in seconds. Service Control tried to process it, and it crashed with a null pointer exception. Every region, every instance, instantly. And it didn't just crash quietly. It restarted and slammed the backend database called Spanner over and over again. Why? Because Google forgot to add randomized exponential backoff. That's a basic retry strategy, something every junior dev learns. And Google forgot it. So the system came back online and hammered its own database like a DOS attack from inside the house. Now let's talk about impact. Compute Engine, Cloud Run, BigQuery, Firestore, even Gmail, Google Docs, Meet, Drive, all affected. And the status dashboard? That also went down. Because it was hosted on the same infrastructure that was now in flames. Within 2 minutes, engineers jumped in. 10 minutes later, they found the bug. By minute 40, they deployed a red button fix, disabling the crashing feature. Most regions recovered quickly, but one region, US Central 1, did not. That one was overloaded, slammed so hard that engineers had to throttle service restarts manually. The outage lasted about 3 hours. Now, how did this happen? According to Google's own post-mortem, there was no feature flag, no null check, no backoff retry. Global replication happened without validation. This is the cloud version of launching a rocket without bolting the engine in. To fix it, Google says they will add feature flags to everything, make service control modular so it can fail safely, slow down global data replication, add validation before it spreads, and finally, add real retry logic with random delays and actual error handling. Here's the takeaway. If you ever feel bad about shipping a bug into production, just remember, even Google can break the internet with one bad config and a missing if statement. Tech news faster than Google Cloud can crash itself. Smash the like button like a null pointer smashing production. Subscribe for more chaos. And remember, even trillion-dollar infrastructure can collapse. If you skip the feature flag,